Let's review this Cuisinart Deluxe Convection Toaster Oven Broiler. It's white and stainless steel. It has a little pan that you can use, a little rack that comes out, and you can actually tip it upside down to make it different sizes. There's also another pan underneath to catch any of the grime that falls down. The handle's really sturdy. Over here is where you can choose if you want to do a toaster, a broiler, bake, keep it warm, and then just reheat. The dial is very easy to use. You can just quickly go up and down in the degrees that you would like, and also the time. Also, this is the side view, this is the back view, and that is how long the cord is. Overall, I give this a 5 out of 5.